Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, I know you not going to miss this. So, lock the date and don't be late. Make sure you secure your orders from now. Bartender Cookout is the place to be. You know you tell me for clown though.
You do it?
You're always a clown. You notice?
No, what am I doing? I sit on beside you. I'm here fine.
No, you're sure to let me really always clown. I threw away a clown today.
Alright, so Shante she want to bring a little house over there. I'm think say more walk over there and see if she ever going to the trip. I don't even know where she going there, because she love chatting and she not no. Not a crying she not. So when I see a beer chatting she depend. She not do nothing, you know. She just try to draw me out. And watch her. Me there in front of the camera. And me just talk and she still like it trouble. I too sure hungry still.
What are we in when people in business? You did up there? So you did up there to hear what I'm in that talk about? Here we are. Oh Jesus. Come on, my talk. Beautiful. And no no farm. Yeah.
And Shan Road our granny people.
Are you put my granny there? Do you make my granny?
Yo, you're so bad over there. And normal town people think I'm there. Always country people are the people who grow them granny. Because you don't know grandma can hide things. So if you can hide things and you're young, you learn from your granny. It passed down to your mother. So if you don't learn from your granny, you learn from your mother. See? Them hide things and the way them hide it, do them even remember right there.
You can't hide nothing.
Well, that's true.
I lost everything. Soon lost all myself.
No, you're not gonna lose yourself. Maybe you lost yourself, because sometimes it's so serious like that.
Me?
Yeah. People should tell like no.
Me?
Yeah. You say that will be there, I'm going to be trying to be there.
I beat already. Can't show up on the camera and I beat there either.
Yeah, going down here close.
Oh, let me see how take picture. What is it?
Can I take a picture?
Yeah.
Let me see the photo shoot. Just one picture.
Come on, I'll take my picture too.
Alright, go on. No, I do not mean that. She just a chat. Fool. Well, man, where you going? You see them shot? People, this is a shot provoking in real life. The interview now, man, with the photo shoot. Yo, the sun plug it over your side, no? Look how it make shine for it shine. I mean, I tell you, the cool shade, they're way over there, so you see three them. But the crooks, them over there too. So if you want cool shade, go over there, go link with the crooks, them, you know?
No, man. Catch me, eh?
Yes, man. Boom!
Not today.
Night shift wrap up, you know? Yeah, man. Long day, people. We not do it for spiting up people, but every time we turn the camera up on her, she a yawn. I don't believe that, you know. I don't want you that, you know. I don't sleep alone. Yeah, man. We need to serve in the kitchen too. I walk around the ship.
People, so in same kind of 50 push-ups. I go count with him. The menu is now out. So people, it's time to choose your favorite meals. How to do so? Send us a DM at Xpressionzja on Instagram, or you can send us a WhatsApp at 1-876-504-8773. Plus, don't forget the big bad after party. Listen, place your orders now. Orders close off on August 8th. See you there.